If you used AI to cut staff, but never rebuilt the workflow, you did not make the business smarter. You just made the cracks harder to see. Because that person you replaced was probably not just doing admin. They were catching mistakes before they became refunds. They were following up when the system forgot. They were calming down the customer your chatbot annoyed. They were knowing what was urgent, what could wait, and what would quietly become a bigger problem later. Artificial intelligence can effectively replace repetitive tasks. It does not automatically replace judgment, ownership, escalation, relationship repair, or the invisible glue that kept your business from feeling like a mess. That is where some businesses look more efficient on paper, but feel worse to the customer. And that is the part most companies miss. The real question is not how much work can AI do? The real question is, what should AI do? What should a human review? What should never be automated? And who owns the outcome when something goes wrong? If you replace the role, but never fix the workflow, you did not modernize the business. You just removed the person who knew where the cracks were. That is where we help. We help businesses rebuild the workflow. So follow-up, handoffs, quality control, customer experience, and accountability do not fall apart after AI gets added. If your business has added AI, reduced staff, or feels more efficient, but somehow messier, book a workflow check. Go to the link below and let us fix the system behind the tool.